Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, and today I have created this beautiful sapphire indigo blue wing liner look with a very fresh and glowing face for this summer. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. So I have prepped my skin already and I'm going in with my concealer to prep my eyelids. And here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me to prime my lids because my lids are a little bit discolored and I want them to have an even tone. And also this will help my eyeshadow to stay longer. And I'm using a wet beauty sponge to blend it all out. Here I'm using my MAC's Studio Fix powder to set it in place. Now I'm using my Bad Habit Beauty Athena palette. I'm using this peachy shade on a fluffy brush to blend it into my crease and making sure that there are no harsh lines. I'm constantly looking up into the mirror to see where I'm placing it because I have partially hooded eyes and I want them to look bigger. So I like to tilt my face and look constantly into a mirror right in front of me so that I know where I'm placing the color and it's nice and blended and even on the sides. Now I'm using this Laura Lee Los Angeles palette and taking the shade Karaoke for my eyeliner. I'm using my scraper to scrape off some shadow and using it with my mixing medium Duraline from Inglot to create a nice pretty blue indigo gel liner. Now if you look closely, I am going from my middle of the eye to my outer corner in small strokes and making sure that the liner on the inner corner is very thin so that my eyes look more big and open. And I've not fast forwarded so that you guys can see what I'm exactly doing. Now here for the wing, I'm following the line from my lower lash line towards my brow and created this little wing and bringing it back in towards the middle of my eye. Now this creates a little triangle which is the wing and I'm filling it in. Now I'm constantly looking into my mirror and a smaller mirror in my hand to see the shape and fix wherever needed. Doing the same thing on the other side, starting from the middle of my eye, taking all the way towards out and making sure it's thinner on the inner corner. Now I'm using my MAC Face and Body in the shade C4. I love this so much. It's so lightweight, it's perfect. It makes your skin look skin-like and it gives you that little dewiness and it doesn't dry out your skin. Being an oily person, my skin dries out underneath makeup and I absolutely adore this. It's very lightweight, you can build it up. And I don't want to have a lot of coverage. I want my scars and my imperfections to show through, and I can always fix it with a good concealer. So I like to keep this very nice, very thin and very dewy on my face. I'm using the same sponge to blend it all out, and you will see I take my time with blending. I do, and you can see how glowy and how skin-like this looks. Next up, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Age Rewind for my concealer, like my brightening concealer. I'm using it underneath my eyes and middle of my face. I don't like to go over highlighted, but a little bit underneath my eyes because I'm using such a pretty intense blue liner. I want it to show. So I like to go in the middle first and blend it all out before going underneath my eyes. and because it's pretty light, so I am taking my time with it. I'm going slow, and blending it with my foundation, and taking my time with it so that it's not too stark and not too much in the face. Guys, you really need to take your time with base, because the more you blend, the more seamless and skin like it will look. And I was tired by this point because I was blending for like good 10 minutes. Now I'm using my Studio Fix in the shade NC35 from MAC, and I like to set the areas that crease a lot, and for me those are underneath my eyes and my smile lines. I also like to mattify my T-zone because I'm an oily person and it tends to oil throughout the day. Now I'm using a bigger brush to set rest of the face, and I'm using the same powder and dusting very lightly. Now I'm using my Michelin bronzer, and I love this shade. It's perfect for my skin tone. It's very nice and it's very buttery, and I'm going on the outer perimeters of my face and just bringing back the light, because my face looks very flat right now and I want that dimensions to be there, but yet I want it to look natural and not like very contoured and structured face, for especially for this look. Now I'm using my Body Shop Shimmer Breaks. I love this shade, especially for Indian skin tones, because it gives you that natural within glow, and I love to use this underneath my blush, and it does give you that natural within glow. It doesn't look powdery at all, and I think that's the best part about this particular product. Now I'm using my favorite Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I absolutely love this one. I don't go overboard with highlighters because I feel like it becomes very streaky, so I use very minimal amount, and I just love using it all over my face. And I also use it on a smaller brush from my inner corner to make my eyes look more bigger and brighter. Now I'm using a curler to curl my lashes. Please girls, curl your lashes. It's very important. It just makes your eyes look bigger and it opens up your eyes a lot. Now I'm using my favorite L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. I am totally in love with this one. It makes my eyes look so big and so nice. Also, I like to go with at least 2 coats of mascara on my both top and bottom lashes. Because there's a lot of drama going on my top lid, I'm going to take the same eyeshadow on the same brush and run it through my lower lash line so it balances out my whole eye, because the top has a lot of things going on with the wing liner. So I want to balance out my eye. So I'm using the same shadow on the same brush and blending it really well on my lower lash line. I'm using the same mascara and coating my lower lashes twice. I'm using this eye pencil from Essence. It's in a gold shade. It's going to open up my eyes even more. I always adore a beautiful nude liner, and I found my one and favorite Dusty Rose from Lakme, and I'm lining my lips with the same pencil and filling it in as well. I'm I'm using a lipstick which is similar in shade. Unfortunately, I don't have the name for the same, but it's in the similar shade to my lip pencil. For blush, I'm using these two shades from my Kryolan palette as a blush because I don't want a lot of pink in my face. So I'm going to swipe it all across the apple of my cheek and bring it towards my nose. This will make sure that I look more youthful and radiant from within. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.